Hey, Landon. Hey, Landon.
What?
What are you going to eat? Beef bouillon? Can you say beef bouillon? Do you think it's going to taste like candy? Here, show it to the camera. Let's see. Okay, try it. Are you sure you want to try it? Okay, smell it. It's not candy, I told you. Taste it with the tip of your tongue like this. Dad does it. Here, Mom will do it. Bring it here. I'll taste it with my tongue. Not your tongue. Stick it up. Mmm. I tried to tell you it wasn't candy. You don't have to. I'm sorry. It's not candy. It's for cooking. All right. Say goodbye to the camera.
Goodbye, camera.